chicken and veg casserole. The ingredients are very simple. So in the ingredients, I'm going to be using about 1 cup of white sauce. So let me show you how I prepare this white sauce. So I heat a pan, I add 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter starts to melt, I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour or maida. You can also use whole wheat flour. Just fry this for about half a minute. And then we're going to add 1 cup of milk and whisk this to a very smooth paste. So that's our white sauce for us. So let's see what else we're going to be using for this amazing, delicious casserole. So for the rest of the ingredients is 1 cup of boiled and shredded chicken, about 200 grams. Then I'm going to be using 1 cup of diced bell peppers or capsicum, 1 cup of broccoli, half a cup of garlic, 1 tablespoon of pizza pasta seasoning, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes or as per taste, half a tablespoon of pepper powder, some extra virgin olive oil for cooking, and some salt to taste. We're also going to be using 2 medium potatoes which I've boiled and mashed up, and half a cup of cheese or 1 cup of shredded cheese. So let's start by first prepping up the veggies for this dish. So I've heated up a pan and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then I'm going to saute the finely chopped up garlic. You don't need to heat the olive oil a lot. So you just fry the garlic. Now we're going to add up these finely chopped up bell peppers or capsicum. You can use green capsicum or you can use these lovely colorful bell peppers. Saute that too on a low to medium flame. Now we're going to add the broccoli. Saute that too. And now we're just going to season our dish with the pizza pasta seasoning. If you don't have pizza pasta seasoning, you can just go with a little bit of oregano. Now we're going to add the pepper powder. And we're going to add the chili flakes. Now, if you don't have chili flakes, you can also use Kashmiri red chili powder. You can also go with a little bit of paprika. And now we're just going to add our salt to taste, and our veggies are all ready. So now we're going to start assembling this casserole. It's very easy and it gets ready really quickly. So first I want you to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. While the oven is getting heated, we're going to prep up our dish. So in an oven-proof casserole dish like this, we're first going to put a layer of the veggies. And you can also add veggies of your choice. You can add carrots, you can add baby corn, you can go with mushrooms, you can add whatever vegetables you like. Now we're going to add this boiled and shredded chicken. What I've done is I've just boiled the chicken for about 5 to 10 minutes in some hot water, and then when it cooled down, I've just shredded it. So now just mix up the chicken and the veggies well together and flatten up this layer a bit. Now we're going to add a layer of the mashed up potatoes. We're going to flatten this layer using the back of a spoon or a spatula. And then we're going to add this lovely white sauce which we've prepared. Now the consistency of this white sauce is always the ratio rather is 1:1:1. So you use 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of flour, and 1 cup of milk. And then you're just going to put some shredded cheese on the top. You can go with whatever cheese you like, with cheddar, mozzarella. I'm just using normal Amul processed cheese. And then we're going to bake this in our oven, which we've preheated, for 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 150 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's all ready. Let it come to room temperature before you cut up this casserole. You can cut it up into 4 or smaller pieces, and it's all ready to serve. This goes even very well with some garlic bread as an accompaniment.